Choosing between ChatGPT and Gemini for optimizing AWS Lambda layers comes down to how each model handles dependency resolution and cold start reduction. In a recent test, both tools were asked to generate a Lambda layer for a Python function using the requests library. ChatGPT produced a clear step-by-step guide with a requirements.txt file and a zip command, but it suggested bundling the entire library without trimming in used modules. Gemini offered a similar workflow but included a note about using Lambda's built-in runtime dependencies to shrink the layer size. When asked to optimize further, Gemini recommended using a custom runtime with only the necessary binaries, while ChatGPT defaulted to a full package. The real difference appears in error handling. Gemini caught a missing dependency in the sample code, while ChatGPT assumed it was already installed. For developers prioritizing speed over precision, ChatGPT's straightforward approach works well, but Gemini's attention to detail makes it better suited for production environments where every kilobyte matters.